All right, welcome back. We're going to continue talking about safety. All of these things pretty much are when you're in the classroom. So some of them I will show you on Thursday. But the number one rule, most important, is always tell me if something happens. You will not get in trouble. I know accidents happen. I could tell you stories. I have been doing chemistry labs for 35 years now. I can tell you some stories where I caught some stuff on fire, where I broke stuff. Accidents happen. As long as you're being careful and you're being safe and you're not acting inappropriately, accidents will happen. And just tell me, right? There will not be a problem. Tell me so we can clean it up correctly. Um, but just a few things we want to jot down here. If you happen to break some glass, super most important rule is don't pick it up with your hands. We have a special broom that we use and a special place to put it where broken glass is so people won't get cut. Do not pick it up with your hands. Okay? That goes for chemical spills too, right? Um, Let me know and I will tell you the best way to clean up anything. But don't just use your hands. There's a broom for glassware. There are special paper towels for chemical spills. Um, but it is important to follow all my instructions on how to do cleanup. Oops, instructions on cleanup. Okay, I know the safe way to do this, so make sure you let me know. If you happen to spill chemicals on yourself, okay, the first and most important thing you want to do is rinse off. Okay, so if you spill something on your hands, you need to rinse immediately. There's a sink in this room. You rinse any chemicals off skin immediately. So go to the sink, right, and get that rinsed off. Okay. Don't delay, don't waste time. It's important that you get that cleaned up as quickly as you can. Okay. Um, if you get chemicals in your eyes somehow, um, you need to use the eye wash station. Hopefully, we'll be wearing goggles if we're going to do anything that require the possibility of getting chemicals in your eyes. But use that eye wash station. I will show it to you in class on Thursday. It is right here at the front of the room. It does look something like this, except it's in my sink. But that needs to happen immediately. Okay? We do not want you to do anything to harm your eyes. Okay? So please don't wait. Don't ask for permission. Just get yourself rinsed off. In case there is a fire, it is important that you know where the fire extinguisher and the fire blanket are. A fire blanket is just like it sounds. It's a blanket, it's folded up small, and it'll put out a fire. So if someone is on fire, you throw the blanket over them, it puts out the fire. We will pretty much be assured that that's not going to happen this semester, but anything, we got to prepare for the worst, right? We don't plan on any of that happening. We plan on being safe. But know where those two things are. I will show them to you on Thursday. Okay. And always remember to stop, drop, and roll. Right? We learned that in kindergarten. It's still true today. If for some reason there's an accident, stop, drop, and roll. Right? The most important thing, always be paying attention to me, because if I have to give instructions quickly because of an accident, I want everyone to be able to follow those instructions right away and move quickly.